WXH
Ah,
tout le.
ouais.
Tu le vois?
Non, c'est bon, attends, je suis dessus là, dis-moi.
Ah mais non,
Du...
parce que ça, les deux premiers, on s'en bat les couilles, c'est les anciens. OIV. Normalement, c'est le mien, ça. OIV.
Oui, Yves, t'es censé le voir, c'est celui sur lequel je suis connecté normalement.
Yeah, we're publishing an update on Google Meets, and we're researching. Some bots are still dropping. We're researching why they're dropping and which versions they're rolling. So we just have which dropped, Philippe? I missed it. Sorry.
Je crois que c'est PH dropped.
And yeah, sorry. Speaking in French.
It was PHLF3. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
You see it?
No, do I see it in the meeting? No. Sorry, I see it on your screen. My PHLF. No, it's not in the meeting.
So he left.
Yeah.
So this.
Just a second, as we're. En vrai, mec, fais gaffe, tu viens de partager des clés API sur un stream. Okay, yeah. We'll go on Grafana, find the log for this bot, see where it dropped. Should I try connecting on an instance in the same time, Philippe? To tell it's log too?
I don't know which instance it is, so it's quite.
Maybe a new one, right? Just a random new one we invite, see.
Yeah, but we can't know. Is that when you want to connect to an instance, you need to have only one bus.
Oh, yeah, okay, true. Okay, so going through Grafana to find the logs. These are the logs, right, of the bot which was just in the meeting, and likely still. So it's alright. It did receive stall page, and what's the? I mean, scroll to the end. What's the end reason?
C'est à l'envers. We don't have yet.
Oh yeah, we don't have it yet. It's just page not responding, likely still, which we're seeing. Sorry, we're back on screen. I had forgotten to put back the screen share on. You need to plug in your computer, Philippe.
Yeah.
Plug it in while we wait for the latest logs, right?
Reason initial wait timeout. Starting sinuses from timeout. No, that's not an end reason.
Yeah, so it detected sound, right? The log you're just seeing is a new log I put, so it has an inner sound silence timer, and because we spoke, it's automatically reset it, right? The silence timeout.
Oh, what is warning? C'est quoi ça?
Huh, we're getting like the messages from the Google console. What the fuck? Uh, this is like when Google tries to authenticate you. You know when you go on a Google authentication page, you get this in the console like, do not go in this console or people will try to pirate you. As if the page, you reloaded the page or something?
No,
What happened?
here. That's bad.
Yeah, that doesn't look good, page error. Let's revert your changes now.
That's really bad.
Because what were you doing when a page was stale? Perhaps you were trying to reload it in some way, no? It looks, or what the fuck happened?
It seems like we're detected as a bot.
Yeah, because you're probably asking too much to reload the page. I think we should drop this stale condition entirely. The one like and rely on something else. So now we have the sound. We have the speakers in live. We have the 10-minute. Let's revert to the 10-minute timeout, Philippe, for now. At least the bots will not drop, right?
Yeah.
And we now have better solutions to detect end of meetings, and we'll implement OCR, and that's it. So as not to be too heavy on Google and not do too many requests. Because right now, to detect we're not on a stale page, we're hitting it so often, right? In the end. T'en penses quoi de mon analyse? Et va mettre ton... Go put your computer to charge. It's stressing me out and our viewers.
I want to ask Claude.
No, honestly, I think we should not do too many requests. I mean, you're obviously doing too... Because now you're asking, like, reloading the request, right? I don't think you should do that. Just remove the condition for now, and at worst case scenario, we'll have longer meetings, but with blank videos at the end. But fuck it. Doesn't really matter.
Yeah, but the user will pay for it.
Yeah, they'll pay for it. It's alright. I mean, we'll refund them. It's alright. It's way better than... We can even actually detect ourselves, like, with some post-treatment of the video. We could detect it, like, post-meeting, right? Not even in the bots. Like, we could do, in the video, there's, like, 10 minutes of white, right? You see what I mean, Philippe? Like, the bot could not even care about this and have the server or someone else care about it, in a sense. I mean, it's less beautiful, but it would work too.
And it should work in some case. If you're really removed, sometimes we detect that we are removed, and not every time. So in the worst,
no. So we should still keep the condition of removing, right? I think that should but we could also add the condition of removal in the modal swapper, by the way. And my new modal swapper, which runs, which you haven't checked, right? That could work too. I guess that would be cleaner in a sense because that would be factorized. But let's just for now just remove the page stale condition. That's it. This is the real reason it was dropping, right?
Okay, I will remove it, but just want to analyze it with Claude.
Sure. I love how we have like fish. Have you noticed like on my video there's like fish swimming around, right?
Yeah, I see it. Julien does that?
No, I did it. So like we set up a stream on OBS, and the stream on OBS was not that good. And then I had found I bought this software called Restream where I can stream to YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, all in the same time, right? It's not as good as OBS, but you have many plugins, and I found this one. I thought it was the theme, right? Funny. Meeting Bess.
Okay, but this one is really happy. It's Oh, Lazar, speak.
Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, I'm speaking. Hello. Is
Mais on
this...
détecte plus jamais qui parle, quoi, là.
Can you go back? Hello?
Yeah,
Can you do enter to view the latest logs?
this is the logs.
Mais qu'est-ce que t'as fait là? Là, t'as changé à l'instant?
Non, là, c'est toujours le même bot sur lequel je suis connecté sur l'instance, là. Mais c'est la même chose, tout ça c'est lié, hein.
Parce que tu fais trop de requêtes. You're doing too many requests. No? Just remove the style condition. Like kiss, keep it simple, it will work. Should remove that.
Putain, là, il nous fait un truc de pirate.
What is he doing? No, but let's not do that, Philippe. Honestly, let's keep it simple. This is...
Yeah, but look, he didn't detect even that. He didn't detect the speakers because he detects our extension.
Because you're doing too many requests. I think because he's asking himself questions. No, let's try reverting to the... Just removing the condition for now. Saying the rest is much more stable. So...
Yeah, there is two different problems. I think they have now input a timer because every time it's quite the same. And we didn't detect people and the page is freezing. So because the page is freezing, we are leaving because we detect that the bot was removed. So it's a false error. And the second thing is we didn't detect even speakers because they are blocking our extension.
Yeah, and isn't that because we're doing too many requests?
Not sure.
I think so, honestly. This is the only thing we changed. And one we tried to, like... So I would just go back to doing less requests and just observing as, like, the sound, the change of the divs.
Chat.
I mean, you can try this if you want to have fun for like 10 minutes. Try the hack of Claude, right? Why not?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Not.
If you want to take 10 minutes more, sure. Let's try deploying this. What did it do exactly? Can you remove it?
He had a lot more flag on Playwright, and he tried to obfuscate our extension so Meet doesn't see it.
Can you remove the maggot of one? It's annoying. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
So he had a lot of different flags on Playwright, but I think I will try on my computer first because maybe it's not working.
So, if you push it, I can try it on my machine too.
Yeah, and we need to test on Teams also because there are conflict between this configuration and the Teams configuration.
Yeah, so let's perhaps first... Okay, Philippe, this is going to take like 20 minutes. Let's stash this and try the simple version, right? First.
Okay. Putain, mais c'est où les messages, hein?
What are you searching for?
The end message for but removed.
Just search.
Because before I had an array.
I can see.
16, mais putain, il m'a enlevé ça tout à l'heure. You've been removed. Yeah. So I have it here.
Oh yeah. So just it's the. Can you just go back to where you were before now? And here.
So I have it here. Non, mais j'essaie de modifier. Donc final meeting.
Why would you modify? Why don't we just go where we were before and remove the timeout entirely, right? No. Okay. Okay. I'll let you do. Just explain your idea while you're coding it. Not sure what I'm getting into.
I will just keep only this condition.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Exactly. So remove the condition of it, the page being still, right?
Yeah, I remove it here,
Yeah.
and I remove it here. Oh, we will space in my Git. It's in the same place. Here. And all of the race condition here. Do I miss something? Recording function, including meeting. Page. Putain, il m'a remis ça là. Ok, et du coup là, find and meeting, j'ai ça, secure bots, find the reference.
Why are you removing those? Sorry.
Just to be sure to not call it, I will just do this. Yeah. And in find and meeting, in meets, the only way that I will detect that we have been removed is you've been removed.
Yeah, and this is why I suggest if you take a look at end messages, I think this should belong. So this is in recording state, right? Can you show the file explorer to the left instead of the search? Tu peux montrer l'explorateur de fichiers? Oh yes. Meet. Yeah, could we not put this inside like a similar way to modal, right? Afterwards. Modal, which is, can you do PumpP modal?
I
forgot. I created. I think utils. I think it's utils. Maybe below. No. No, not here. Can you just search it? I can search for it on my end.
Ça devrait être là, ici,
ton truc de... inside recording servers, SRC services.
Services?
Yeah.
But it's rated to meet. You have to put it here.
But you could put it because you could use it inside the Teams as well, right? I guess. Yeah, we just put many more like possibilities, and then like looking for the different types of buttons it could hide inside too, right? Anyhow, it's just a little larger than the just you've been removed.
Tu veux faire quoi là?
If you go back on where you were at, what it does, the modal sweeper, is it does base several combinations of what it could be in, and several variations of what the text could be, right?
Okay.
So, but let's not do it now, right? But this is what we could do later on, right? Like you could add to do, like add variation, add like just going through like explicit types of the name of the CSS of the divs it could hide in the DOM, or the messages type, right? Like in modal sweeper, yeah, right? Yeah. Like in the like in the modal and detection service, I would say.
Là, tu veux qu'on redéploie tout là?
Bah ouais, non. Je sais pas, bah ouais. Let's go. Let's redeploy that baby, no?
Can you remove this?
The spot? Yeah, sure. Oh, I cannot. This is not my meeting, I guess. Do you want to start a new meeting? I'm gonna create a new meeting.
Ah non, mais c'est bon, j'ai remove le machin. Je veux juste voir comment il va. S'il détecte la fin, lui. Du coup, il détecte pas la fin du meeting.
Mais ça, c'est la dernière version que t'as push, non?
Ouais.
Ouais.
Ouais, ça va être encore pire. Hein.
Attends. Bah, t'auras le time condition. Si tu veux maintenant, parce qu'avant le silence. We can put the silence. We can just rely on the silence, right? We will go back to the. Because the silence level works well.
Ça, c'est un bot que t'as invité?
Non.
Oui.
Yeah. I think we can rely. We can go back to reducing the silence timeout to like 1 minute. And just rely on the silence timeout in itself. Except I also had done a PR which would, because your silence is not good, right? Your silence should be voice activity detection. But honestly, Philippe, fuck it. We should take the problem in the correct direction. It's way worse, losing meeting data than having too much data, right? And
yeah. But I think maybe because we will do some mistake tonight. We need to sleep and do it tomorrow morning.
I mean, like, the bots on Google Meet are not working. What can I tell you? They're all dropping at the moment, so...
Non, mais du coup, juste qu'on fixe sur le truc, là. Toi, ce que tu dis... moi, ça me va, enfin... Toi, ce que tu dis, c'est t'attends, s'il y a 1 minute de vrai silence...
No, right now it's 10 minutes, right? It's back to 10 minutes. But yes, it will drop out after 10 minutes. Because Michael had us, we checked, it works, no problem, 100%.
Là, ce qu'on est en train de voir, ça m'inquiète beaucoup plus en vrai. Hein.
De quoi?
Et là, ce que je capte, c'est que on se fait détecter par mythe, quoi.
I think because we're doing too many requests. Why don't we go back to where we were like 20 minutes ago, right? Where we just do.
On va voir, mais je pense que ça va faire la même.
Let's just try this. Honestly, if it doesn't work, we'll drop it here for tonight. But I'll just do less requests. Just not checking the page end.
Bah là, c'est ce que j'ai fait. J'ai enlevé, hein, si tu veux. On va relancer, hein, mais. Là, j'ai commit et tout. Tu peux essayer en local vite fait?
Yeah, sure, I can try it locally. Okay, so this is fun. I'm gonna restart a bot.
Putain, je vais voir si ça compile quand même mon truc et tout. J'ai même pas de succès.
It's compiling, Philippe. I'm on your branch, right? Just compiled.
Ok.
I'm gonna go to my main repository, cd meeting bass. Bass local invite Jimmy.
Mais il y a moyen que sur Chromium, on ait moins de problèmes en vrai.
Yeah, probably. I think we'll have definitely less problems on Chromium. Alright, I'm gonna invite a bot, so I'm gonna cut you out, Philippe. No, failed to connect to port 3001. Oh yeah, because my backend was not running. Sorry. No, not this one. So I'm gonna restart the DB of what's running under my computer, right, essentially. I'm gonna restart my backend. Cool, it's running. Oh, successfully reconnected. Nice. Is this the correct meeting link? Yeah, I guess it is. Except it did not send any bots. Let me try relaunching the bots.
Ah ouais, tu dois le relancer après le bac, ouais.
Yeah, but it sent me a message like successfully reconnected to RabbitMQ. Okay, no. What the fuck is going on? Oh no, it works. Meeting Bass was turned off. It does it like by itself every hour, so the script is not working. I still have your script though, right? But it's not working. It's really annoying. So I need to reinstall Meeting Bass. I can do this while you deploy. So I'm going to remove the current Chrome version, lol, for the 4th time today. I'm going to open the correct Google Chrome PKG version, which is right here. Hop. Okay. I don't know why I have this black line here. Okay. I'm gonna do the 3rd step now, which is 3. Okay, now it should run. If I go back to Bash Meet Bot, run local will run. this time. Okay. Okay. Let's go. So this is our bot joining on Google Meet in controlled mode, right? Essentially. I'm not sure why it's taking so long to type. Yeah, there we go. You should see me in the meeting, Philippe.
No. T'as mis le bon lien?
Oh no, I did not click. It's taking a lot of time, I guess. My computer is slow, sorry. Yeah, it just clicked. Yeah, so it should see me speaking now, I guess, soon. Yeah, is it see me speaking? Yeah. Yeah, I'm speaking. T'es là, Philippe?
Ouais.
Ah, ok, ok. Non, c'est bon, ça marche, it works.
Bon bah vas-y, je déploie ça alors.
Bah, enfin, j'en sais rien, ça marche, ça a pas quitté le meeting depuis 2 secondes, là. Ah, tu deploy, you mean you deploy in pre-prod? Right now in prod, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oups, excuse-moi.
Bot is running fine. Like, it's in the meeting, what can I tell you? It's right here. I'm gonna take a glass of water while this stream runs. I'm gonna put this right next to this one though. Yeah. There we go. That looks nice. Alright, I'll be right back. No, it crashed, I think. my bot.
Huh?
I think my computer froze or my bot crashed. I'm not sure what happened.
It's still there. But I didn't see any people speaking.
Oh, it's Tmux that crashed? Oh, I don't know. It's my terminal that crashed, lol. Tmux attach. Did that work? Yeah, it looks like but it's restoring Tmux. Huh. It looks like it's my Tmux that crashed because I had too many processes running. I don't know what to tell you. So the bot is... Yeah, the bot is still there, right? Because like the process crashed, but not the browser, I guess. No, yeah. That better be the one, honestly. You want to share your screen again, Philippe? I mean, my computer crashed, right?
I'm waiting for stop status. I'm not stopping. Yeah.
Yeah, and please don't share any environment variables, by the way, Philippe. But yeah, sorry, my computer is freezing a little bit.